Haley, where are we going? Where? Jordan.
Where's Mommy talking to you?
Jay.
Is Mama talking to you?
Jordan. Where are you going, Jordan? Say, I don't know.
She doesn't even know what's going on.
First time in an airport.
Yeah. She bumped her head on this.
No, she didn't.
Yes, she did.
No, she. Hi, we're in Denver. Hi. Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. Denver, woo! There's Aunt Tiffy. Hop on, Haley. Grandma. Haley, where are we at?
The airport?
Do you know what city we're in?
New Mexico.
No. We're in Denver. We're in Denver waiting on our plane to go to Cancun. Jay. What are you getting? What are you getting out of your backpack? You don't know yet? Look, there's a puppy. Puppy, puppy. Aw, that's a nice puppy. It's like, I'm not sure about that one.
I haven't seen anything that big.
Get the puppy, Jay.
Look at her. She's so cute.
She loves animals.
He's just a puppy. He's just 10 months old.
Hi.
He's like, I've never seen a little baby.
That's his first little baby.
You got your what? It's in my bag. Don't dump everything out. Your baby! He's suffocating.
Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture. Wait there, so hold on.
Okay. Jordan, are you trying to escape? Jay, did you see a puppy?
Looks kind of like Rai-Rai. Just a lot of fur in a different face.
But I have to call Dad.
Say Dada. 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 My mama, my daddy, my grandpa, my Tiffany, my Jordan, my mom, and me. Dance. Christine is dancing. She is dancing with Jordan, and Jordan's laughing a little bit, and she's smiling. And now I'm going. I want to see my baby. She's not in my bag, but she is. I'm